This is how to operate your Rainbow Chakra Pillow Controller. To power up the controller, press the on button on the bottom middle once. To turn the device on, press the power button on the upper right corner. On the top, you'll find temp. Press it once to know that it's on, and then press it a second time and you'll see that it flashes, which means you can change the temperature. You can do so by using the buttons on the right-hand side, plus for a higher temperature or minus for a lower temperature. If you wish to get to your desired temperature faster, hold down the plus or minus. Press temp once again to set the desired temperature. If you wish to change the default setting of Fahrenheit to Celsius, push down the temp button for 12 seconds. The fourth option on your screen is time. The timer offers a range of running duration from 1 hour up to 12 hours. Click the button once, and you'll see it blinking. You can then adjust the timer. If you want less time, choose the minus sign on the right. If you want a longer time, click the plus sign. Press time once again to set the desired time. Once the set time is reached, the controller will automatically shut off, and the therapies simultaneously. Please note to reach the maximum temperature, allow 40 minutes for your mat to heat. The fifth item you'll see on your screen is Photon. When you click the Photon button, you will see the red lights illuminate on your mat. To turn it off, simply click the Photon button. To get the rainbow lights, press the Photon button once again. In addition, press the M1 to M4 buttons to activate a memorized mode. You can change the preset mode to suit your needs. The screen will display the selected mode along with the corresponding temp, time, and photon settings. For additional information, please check the user manual. For the factory reset, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, and you will see that the top light indicator will shut off and turn back on automatically.